So first we will draw a diagonal line like this. Okay. Now we will draw another diagonal line.
Like V.
Yes. Yes. Now we have to draw a half circle.
To draw a half circle.
Okay. Now let's connect the ends of the circle like this, wavy lines. Okay, first watch me.
Okay.
That is so cute. Now we will draw a cherry on top. Okay, see, first watch me. Let's draw a circle. Then draw a curved line.
A curved line.
And then a tiny curved line.
And then curved line.
Yes. Now let's add some small.
I can put it wherever you want.
Yes, wherever you want. But only on the top, okay? Not on the cone.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Not yet.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
We have to draw more diagonal lines to complete the look of our cone. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Like this. Okay, now cross lines. So beautiful, and our drawing is ready.
Wait, I want to put my nose
Want to put your name on it?
with golden is
Okay.
neon. Navy. Christianity.
Okay. This is our first video.
Wow!